everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Let's get started.
So, this is gonna be for our project. It is gonna be an ice cream truck moving and then stopping at the door, and the balloons change, and even the truck change from a dessert truck to a food truck. So like this. This is what we are gonna do. So let's get right into it. So let's start with the when green flag clicked. But before we do that, we're gonna delete this cat sprite. So we're gonna choose another sprite. This is how you add another sprite. You just see it on bottom right. It's next to choose a backdrop. Just click on choose a sprite, and you can choose any single one because all of them have a type. Not all of them, but many of them has like costumes of themselves. Like this fish balls, it's like it has a fish, but it doesn't. This is what we're gonna do first. So put it right here. Then we're gonna choose a backdrop. We're gonna choose the castle one. Gonna make it on the ground, just like this, and add two balloons. Let me tell you a trick. If you just left, like right click, you see duplicate. That's how you duplicate them. I'm gonna put one right here. You can put it. You can put the balloons anywhere, but like you can do anything of your choice. I'm just telling you how to add and how to change them and how to move them. So then we're gonna start with green black clicked. Then going to go to motion and go to X and Y. So this is where we're gonna start. Then we go to control. We get forever. Then we go to motion, move 10 steps. This will make the the food truck to go 10 steps repeatedly, just like this. And it stops right at the end, but it's too much, so wait, no, stop it. And if you wanted to go back, you can remove this and click on it, or you just can change it right here. Put it back. Then we needed to stop right at balloon 2. This is balloon 2, I mean balloon 1. So, food truck, so we're gonna go to control. Because if this is happening, sensing, touching mouse pointer, but we're gonna change that mouse pointer into balloon 1, because this is balloon 1. Then gonna make, before we make it stopping, we're gonna switch the costume. Like it's done, we switch to another costume, say food truck C. If you want to like redesign the costumes, you just go to costumes right here on that sprite, click on it, and here are the costumes. Costume food truck C is a hot dog truck, and this is a taco. So then we make it stop after when it's changing. Stop all. Then for these balloons, we're just gonna do something simple. When green flag clicked, go to looks. The switch costume 2, it's in looks. So switch costume 2, balloon C, which is purple. So we're gonna do the same for balloon 2, but we're not gonna do balloon C, we're gonna do balloon B, which is yellow. Then we're gonna, this is it for the code. So when green flag clicked, go to X, negative 114, then Y, negative 6. Forever, move 10 steps. If touching balloon 1, switch costume to food truck C, stop all, then, and these ones just switch the costume. And let's try it. Go, yeah. it's the food truck and it's running. If you want to like make the food truck go back, you could go switch costume and just manually click this, just like this. So that is it for today's lesson.
Alright everyone, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.